Help! It's close! Now! Run! They're right behind us! Don't look back!
Oh my god! What the fuck is that?
Alright, they stopped! I can't move! I'm stuck!
Oh my god, it's opening something!